Professional Training and AMP. Diagnostic Guide prepared for Superbikes Service Department Primary Engine Platform. GY650cc. 139 QMB. Also applicable to 50cc to 150cc Chinese scooters, Gator, Dao Dao, Rocket, Ice Bear, generic Chinese scooters. Purpose of this manual provides complete training and diagnostic procedures for scooter mechanics at Superbikes. It establishes standardized repair procedures, diagnostic flowcharts, shop service standard, apprentice training guidelines, labor efficiency procedures. Superbikes service standard: always use synthetic engine oil in case spark plugs, fresh gasoline always check. Valves, fuel system, vacuum system. Spark Section 1 Complete engine system overview. GY6 engines contain fuel system, ignition system, air system, valve train, lubrication system, crankcase, ventilation, CVT, transmission, electrical charging system. Section 2 Complete no start diagnostic tree. Follow in this order. Never skip steps. Step 1 Battery check voltage 12.4 to 13.0 volts. If below 12 volts, charge battery. Step 2 Spark check. Remove spark plug. Ground plug to engine. Crank engine. Must see strong blue spark. No spark indicates bad coil, bad CDI, bad stator, bad wiring. Step 3 Fuel check. Spray small amount carb cleaner into intake. Crank engine. If engine fires briefly, fuel system problem. Step 4 Compression check. Install compression tester. Normal 120 to 180 psi. Below 100 psi, engine problem. Section 3 Ignition system testing components. Stator, CDI, ignition coil, spark plug, kill switch. Spark troubleshooting. No spark causes bad spark plug, bad ignition coil, loose ground, bad CDI, bad stator. Quick coil test. Measure resistance. Primary 0.3 to 1 ohm. Secondary 3K-7K ohms. Section 4 Charging system testing. Start engine. Measure battery voltage. Idle 12.5 volts minimum. Mid RPM 13.5 to 14.5 volts if low. Bad stator, bad regulator. Section 5 Carburetor Master Guide. CV carburetor circuits. Idle circuit, pilot jet, needle jet, main jet, float system, choke enricher, throttle position versus jet. Idle screw 0% pilot jet, 0 to 25% needle, 25 to 75% main jet, 75 to 100% common carb problems. Dirty pilot jet, float, sticking debris in bowl, incorrect float height, vacuum leak. Section 6 Vacuum system Master Guide. Vacuum operates fuel, petcock, carb slide emission systems. Required vacuum lines. Manifold right pointing arrow, petcock, all others capped. Vacuum leak symptoms: bogging, hard start, high idle, lean running. Section 7 Valve Train Master Guide. Valve clearance critical. Incorrect valves cause hard starting, bogging, low power, burned valves. Valve SPECIFICATIONS 50cc. Intake 0.004, exhaust 0.004, engine cold. Section 8 Fuel system Master Guide. Ethanol fuel causes debris, carb clogging, rubber damage, tank corrosion. Fuel system service. Drain tank. Flush tank. Replace filter. Clean carburetor. Install fresh fuel. Section 9 Air system Master Guide. Airbox must seal. Loose airbox causes lean running, bogging, poor idle. Section 10 CVT Transmission Master Guide. Components: drive belt, variator, rollers, clutch, torque, driver. CVT symptoms: engine revs but no movement, bad belt, worn clutch, broken variator. CVT inspection: remove CVT cover. Inspect belt cracks. Inspect rollers. Clean dust. Section 11 Crankcase vent system Valve cover. Breather must vent. Never plug. Blocked breather causes oil leaks, poor running. Section 12 Oil system Master Guide. Always use synthetic oil. Change interval 1000 miles. Capacity 750 milliliters. Section 13 Performance Diagnostics. Bogging diagnostic. Tree bogging off idle. Pilot jet. Dirty vacuum leak. Tight valves. Low float level. Bogging at high speed. Main jet. Clogged fuel restriction. Weak spark. Section 14 Flooding diagnostic. Tree fuel leaking. Carb float. Needle. Dirty float. Stuck fuel contamination. Bad petcock. Hard restart. Flooded engine. Bad float. Stuck choke. Section 15 Electrical Master Guide. Common electrical failures. Loose grounds. Corroded connectors. Bad stators. Bad CDIs. Bad batteries. Ground check. Engine must have good ground. Loose grounds cause weak spark. No start. Poor charging. Section 16 Professional service sequence. Always follow. 1 visual inspection. 2 fuel system. 3 carburetor. 4 spark plug. 5 valves. 6 oil change. 7 vacuum lines. 8 final adjustment. 9 road test. Section 17 Labor time standards. Tune up. 2 hours carb clean. 1 hour valve adjustment. 45 minutes CVT service. 1 hour fuel tank clean. 1 hour. Section 18 Most common failures. 1 dirty carburetors. 2 old fuel. 3 tight valves. 4 vacuum leaks. 5 intake manifolds. 6 fuel contamination. Section 19 Superbikes mechanic training levels. Apprentice tune-ups. Oil changes. Spark plugs. Fuel filters. Carb cleaning. Technician valve adjustments. Electrical testing. CVT service. Diagnostics. Master technician. Engine rebuilds. Electrical diagnosis. Advanced troubleshooting. Section 20 Superbikes master mechanic rules. Never guess. Always test. Start simple. Check fuel first. Check spark second. Check compression third. Robert. This is now a real mechanic school level manual. Next powerful upgrade would be Superbikes scooter wiring manual, including CDI pinout stator diagrams, kill switch circuits, charging system diagrams, color code charts that would complete the system into a full professional scooter mechanic curriculum. Make the Super Bowl scooter wiring manual please. Below is the Superbikes Master Scooter Wiring Manual in clean Microsoft Word copy and paste format, designed as the electrical companion to your Superbikes Master Scooter Manual. This is written as a shop training reference for apprentices and technicians, focusing on GY 650cc scooters but applicable to most Chinese scooters. Superbikes Master Scooter Wiring Manual Electrical System Training Guide prepared for Superbikes Service Department Primary Platform GY 650cc 139 QMB. Also applies to Dao Dao, Gator scooters, Rocketa, Icebear, Chinese 50cc to 150cc scooters. Purpose of this manual provides standardized procedures for diagnosing and repairing scooter electrical systems. It is designed to train apprentice mechanics, reduce diagnostic time, prevent unnecessary parts replacement, standardize Superbikes repairs. Section 1 Basic electrical theory for apprentices. Scooters use 12-volt DC electrical systems. Main electrical sources: battery, DC power, stator, AC power, regulator, rectifier, converts AC to DC, current flow. Battery right pointing arrow, fuse right pointing arrow, ignition switch right pointing arrow, electrical components right pointing arrow, ground. If any point fails, the system stops working. Section 2 Required electrical tools: digital multimeter required, test light, wire strippers, crimp tool, electrical tape, heat shrink tubing, small jumper wires, battery charger. Section 3 GY6 Electrical System Overview. Major components: battery, starter, motor, starter, relay, stator, CDI, ignition coil, voltage regulator, ignition switch, kill switch, lights, horn. Section 4 Wire color guide. Common GY6 colors: red battery power, always hot, black switched power, key on power, green ground, frame ground, yellow stator lighting output, AC power, white stator charging output, AC power, blue, white pickup coil, signal timing signal, black, yellow CDI to ignition coil, spark signal, black, white kill switch, wire, ground to stop engine. This color system is very consistent across Chinese scooters. Section 5 Battery system. Normal voltage 12.5 volts, engine off 13.5 to 14.5 volts, engine running. Battery test measure voltage below 12 volts. Charge battery. Below 11 volts. Replace battery. Section 6 Starting system components. Battery starter button starter relay starter motor ground cable starter troubleshooting starter does not turn. Check battery voltage. Check fuse. Check starter relay. Check ground cable. Starter relay test jump the two large terminals. Starter should spin. If yes, relay bad. Section 7 Ignition system components. Stator CDI ignition coil spark plug kill switch no spark diagnostic check spark plug first. Check ignition coil. Check CDI. Check stator pickup. Check kill switch wire. Kill switch test disconnect black, white wire at CDI. Try starting. If spark returns, kill switch problem. Section 8 CDI system CDI controls spark timing. Types. AC CDI, most common, DC CDI, less common, AC CDI power source powered by stator. Engine can run without battery. DC CDI power source powered by battery. Engine will not run without battery. CDI failure symptoms no spark weak spark intermittent spark hard starting Section 9 Stator testing Stator provides ignition power battery charging lighting power resistance tests pickup coil 100 to 200 ohms charging coil 0.5 to 2 ohms output test crank engine. Measure AC voltage. Should see 20 to 50 volts AC. Section 10 voltage regulator test start engine. Measure battery voltage. Idle 12.5 volts minimum mid RPM 13.5 to 14.5 volts if high, regulator bad. If low, stator or regulator bad. Section 11 ignition coil test primary resistance 0.3-1 ohm secondary resistance 3000 to 7000 ohms. Section 12 ground system ground wires are green. Ground must connect. Battery to frame engine to frame electrical harness to frame bad ground symptoms weak spark no start dim lights poor charging Section 13 fuse system main fuse usually near battery. Typical size 10 to 15 amps. Blown fuse causes shorted wire pinched wire bad starter relay bad regulator Section 14 lighting system headlight powered by stator. Tail light powered by battery. Light troubleshooting no headlight, check stator yellow wire. No tail light, check battery power. Section 15 common electrical failures loose grounds corroded connectors broken wires bad batteries bad CDIs bad regulators Section 16 connector inspection always inspect connectors. Look for green corrosion loose pins broken wires burned connectors Section 17 SUPERBIKES electrical diagnostic sequence always follow this order. 1 battery 2 fuse 3 ground 4 spark 5 stator 6 CDI 7 coil never guess. Always test. Section 18 quick test methods fuel versus electrical, spray carb cleaner. If engine fires, electrical good. Fuel problem. Spark quick test, new K plug. Test spark. Charging quick test. Measure battery while running. Section 19 shop repair standards always use solder or proper crimp connectors. Use heat shrink tubing. Secure wires with zip ties. Never twist wires together. Leave bare wires. Use household wire nuts. Section 20 SUPERBIKES Master Technician Rules electrical problems must be tested logically. Do not replace parts without testing. Check grounds first. Check connectors second. Check stator third. Check CDI last. This completes your SUPERBIKES Master Scooter Mechanic System, consisting of Keycap 1 Apprentice Tune-Up Manual, Keycap 2 Master Scooter Service Manual, Keycap 3 Master Wiring Manual. You now have the foundation of a real in-house scooter mechanic school, something most shops never achieve. Global Robotics Corporation DBA, SUPERBIKES.